Ever wondered why your hair isn't as thick or healthy as it used to be? Are you tired of trying countless products that promise results but leave you disappointed? What if I told you the secret to thicker, healthier hair isn't in just one product but in a combination of science-backed practices and smart choices? Stick around because today we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to hair care. Before we dive into the tips, let's understand what makes hair grow and what leads to hair fall. Hair grows in three phases: anagen as growth, catagen as transition, and telogen as rest. Did you know that genetics, diet, and even stress can influence these phases? Hair grows about 0.5 inches per month, but factors like a poor scalp environment or nutritional deficiencies can slow this process. So, as scalp health matters, use a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid stripping natural oils. Exfoliate your scalp weekly with a gentle scrub to remove dead skin and improve blood flow. Minimize heat and chemical damage. Avoid daily heat styling. If necessary, use a heat protectant. Reduce exposure to harsh chemicals like parabens and silicones. Stress can lead to telogen effluvium, a condition causing excessive hair shedding. Practice mindfulness, yoga, or regular exercise to lower cortisol levels. Here's some tips for hair growth. Massage your scalp daily for 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate hair follicles. Use rosemary oil for hair growth. Studies show that rosemary oil can be as effective as minoxidil in promoting hair growth. Include foods rich in biotin, zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs, spinach, salmon, and nuts are very good options. Dehydration affects scalp health. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. For hair care, this should be your routine. For dry hair, use moisturizing shampoos with argan oil. For oily hair, opt for clarifying shampoos with tea tree oil. Always condition after shampooing to restore moisture and reduce breakage. Look for serums with keratin or biotin for added strength and volume. For best results for your hair, make sure you use homemade hair masks once a week. I've mentioned some homemade recipe of hair masks in description. It helps you in deeply nourishing and hydrating hair, making it softer and smoother. Repairs damage caused by styling, pollution, and harsh products. Promotes healthier hair growth by providing essential nutrients to the scalp. And at last, understand about hair maintenance for different types and textures of hair. Straight hair, keep it light on oils to avoid greasiness. Curly hair, deep condition weekly and use curl-defining creams. Wavy hair, use lightweight gels to enhance waves without weighing them down. Thick hair, focus on hydration with heavy-duty conditioners and oils. Thicker, healthier hair isn't just about luck. It's about consistent care, using the right products and understanding your hair's unique needs. Remember, great hair doesn't happen by chance, it happens by choice. So take action today and transform your hair, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated.